everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to redo a tray that I got at a thrift store. So I grabbed one of these silver platter trays that was at a thrift store. I think I paid $2 for it. And it's kind of beat up, but I really like the design on the outside. I got some of this scrapbook paper from Joann's and some white chalk paint, and you'll need some Mod Podge. So the first thing I did was clean my tray, and then I'm going to put several coats of the white chalk paint. I think I ended up doing 3 coats total with the chalk paint. I just covered it, and I did the top and the bottom half. I just made sure I got in all of those little nooks and crannies around the design on the edge because I really wanted that to stand out at the end. Once I had all my coats of paint on, I am going to take my scrapbook paper and I'm going to flip my tray over because the bottom was kind of raised, and I'm just going to rub my scrapbook paper along the edge so I know exactly where to cut so that I get a cut of a perfect circle for the inside of my tray. So I'm just pressing as hard as I can, and as you can see, it indented the paper, and then I'm just going to cut that out. Once I had it all cut out, I tested to make sure that it was going to fit inside, and it did perfectly. So I'm just going to take my Mod Podge and attach that right to the center of my tray. And once that bottom layer of Mod Podge is dry, you can certainly add another layer on top to protect the paper if you choose to. Once I had the paper all attached, I'm just going to take a sanding block and run it around the edge to really make that decorative edge pop. So I'm just going to take off a small amount of the paint to allow it to show through. And once I had that all done, this project is finished. And I think that it just turned out absolutely adorable. I love that this can be made to fit your decor. You could paint it any color you want, use a different kind of scrapbook paper. It's totally up to you. You could even put a candle holder underneath it and turn it into like a tray. The ideas are endless. And for $2, you can't beat it. I'm going to use mine to put candles, but you could certainly put knickknacks or anything that you wanted. I think it just turned out absolutely adorable. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please, as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.